All right, so we haven't gotten a lot done just yet. I got one box in. Let's go take a look at it right now. And I'm in the process of making a bunch of other ones. You can see got some parts and pieces back there. But let's go take a look at this one. They're kind of pain in the butt to dig out, and I'll show you what's going on here. So here is one of them. It's in the ground. You can see, let me back up a little bit. You can see that the ground kind of comes up like this, and we want these all level. So I'm digging the second one out, and that's awesome. I got a thing full of water right there. Actually, I got two. I got another one. Look at that. I got all that water out now because I dug this a couple nights ago. But basically, I got to level this all out and dig 12 inches in the centers, and then 4 inches on each corner for the post to sit in, and then get it leveled out and set. And then what I'm doing as well is I'm putting some wood in here. As you can see, grab some stuff. So there's a big fancy word for it. I already forget what it's called, but basically it breaks down underneath the soil slowly, which is nice. And then all of this soil in here right now is leftover from a couple seasons ago. And so I'm going to fill up most of our boxes with that. So I'm going to order next week probably 14 yards of compost and black dirt. And that's going to be just dropped off on our driveway, and then we'll load these up. But my goal is to get this whole area, we'll see how far we get, but to get this whole area dug out, at least most of these, because I've got 10 to do. You can see it's marked out there. And then I've got a post right there, and then right there, and then way down there, right there, is where the other one is. So we've got our work cut out for us, literally. And here we go. So what I'm going to do, I can see, you can notice that it's not quite touching down there, and I'm not touching down there yet, but I am good there. I'm just going to pack that underneath, so that'll be fine, but I just want to make sure it's level. So down here, see, I'm good there. And let's go this way. Check all four sides, make sure we're lined up, and that's looking pretty good too. Look at that. I like it. And over here, just real quick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is too good, too good. I love it. And gotta just come up on that end just a hair, just a little bit, and we'll be good there. And the other thing, I've got my rope line here to make sure I am straight. That's looking pretty good. I might have to kick this inside corner in a little bit, but otherwise we're okay. And then I'm going to take my 30-inch posts, and I'm going to bring those right in there and screw them in place, because it's too hard to try and transport this thing with those 30-inch posts attached to this and trying to get it located. Measure All right, folks, it is in for today. I had to use that bar, and I'm trying to tamp down all the sides, and that's going to help support the bottom from being pushed out. Again, this is 29 gauge. The stuff they sell at Home Depot and Menards is 31 gauge, which is way too thin. But I'm going to fill this with logs tomorrow, because it's supposed to rain tonight, so I got to pack it up before it gets too crazy. But I'm going to fill that with the bottom with logs about the first 6 inches, and then I'm just going to use the soil that we had from our previous garden there. But then next week I think we're going to be getting our 15 yards. So that's what we're doing today.